नमस्कार, खुश रहो बेटियों. माय नेम इज़ डॉक्टर अस्मा खान, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फैशन इंटीरियर, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन मैथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. दिस station, the name of station is chemical composition of man-made and synthetic fibers. In previous session, we was already discussed about the chemical composition of natural fibers. All the vegetable fibers are cellulosic fibers because the highest percentage was found cellulose. That's why they all are called cellulosic fiber, and cellulose affect their quality. Similarly, in the wool fiber and keratin fiber, keratin is highest. That's why they are called protein fiber, and the keratin material property keratin affect the quality of wool and keratin fiber. Similarly, in the silk fiber, fibroin is the highest and its effect on silk fiber quality. Similarly, now we will discuss chemical composition of man-made and synthetic fibers. Man-made is a regenerated fibers and synthetic are the complete chemical fiber. Chemical composition and molecular arrangement of rayon. Rayons are generally designed with the cellulosic waste and acid. Those acids are sulfuric acid, nitric acid and acetic acid. Manufactured fibers of the regenerated cellulose in which substitutes have replaced not more than 15% of hydrogen of hydroxyl group. Basically, in the rayon, hydroxyl groups are found. Chemical composition of viscous rayon. This is the example of one type of rayon. H2SO4 is an acid 10%, Na2SO4 is 18%, glucose is 2%, ZnSO4 is 1%, water is 69%. 69% water is highest material in the chemical composition of viscous. Chemical composition of polyester fiber. When carboxyl acid with 2 carboxyl group is esterified with the alcoholic containing 2 hydroxyl group, long chain called polyester can be made. Some of these materials have major industrial use. In the most important example, D-carboxyl acid, terapine acid esterifies with the ethylene glycol. This is hydroxyl group and carboxy group of the example of polyester fiber. Nylon 6 is designed with amides. Amides is the nomenclature name of the nylon 6 fiber. Amides is the chemical structure and the functional group of the amides is alkaline group bonded to a trivalent nitrogen atoms. Amides are named by the dropping the suffix OIC acid from the IUPAC name of the parent acid or IC acid. Generally, amides are designed with IUPAC name acid, parent acid and IC acid in the amide group. This is the example of amide group. Acetate amide, nitrogen methylene amides, N minor dimethylene formaldehyde acids. This is the 3 example of amides which is used to design the nylon 6. If nitrogen atoms of amides is bonded to alkaline or aryl group, the group is named its location on nitrogen. It is indicated by N minus. To alkaline and aryl group, the nitrogen are indicated by N and D. Amides bonded are the key structure features that join amino acid together to the form of polypeptides and proteins. Cyclic amides are called lactams. Their common names are derived in a manner similar to those lactones, with the difference that the suffix olactone is replaced by the olactam. Carbolactam is the starting material from the synthesis of nylon 6. Similar like 3 previous example, acetate amides, N-methylene amides and N-dimethylene formaldehyde, amino acids are also bonding with the amides, and this is also the another example of protein amides which is designed the nylon 6. Different type of nylons are developed with the 4 type of chemicals or the chemical structures. Polyamides. Polyamides can be formed by the 2 different methods. First is condensation of the molecule that contained by carboxyl and amino group. This is the method by which is protein are synthesized in the nature, and carboxyl group of the amino acid molecule molecule forms in a amide bond with the amino group of next amino acid producing chain, which may be a long or short. First is amino acid and amides are making a chain and design the polyamides, and second is molecule that contain two carboxyl group is combined with another molecule that has two amino group in first amino acid and the amide acid and prepare the chain of the fiber, and in the second method two carboxyl group in one amino acid design the fabric. Nylons are a family of polymer, the member of which have subtly different properties than suit them to one use or another. The most widely used member of this family are nylon 6.6, nylon 6 point and nylon 6. So named because it is synthesized from the caprolactam, a 6-carbon monomer is fabricated into fibers, brush bristles, rope, high impact moldings and tire coats. This is the example of nylon 6. Thank you so much. The session is powered by 2.0 digital version Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you understand this session. Thank you so much.